What's up everyone, Jarek here from Furious Technology, and today we're going to take a look at one of the most popular brands on the market for accessories, the Anker dual car adapter. Let's go ahead and open it up. This charger has two ports to it, so you can charge multiple devices at the same time. And each port is going to pump out 39 watts of power. Unlike most car chargers, this one has Quick Charge 3.0. That means that it only takes about 30 to 35 minutes to charge a single device up to 80%. That makes it 4 times faster than the standard car adapter. This particular car adapter is backwards compatible with all versions of Quick Charge. It also has Power IQ, which means no matter which device you plug into it, it will adapt itself according to that device. What does that mean? Well, that means that if you plug an iPhone into it, the iPhone is not going to have that Quick Charge capability, but this will still adapt itself according to the device. So this is still going to pump out that standard charge. It is built with high quality materials. It has that 18-month warranty, whereas most accessories only come with a 12-month warranty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go outside to my vehicle. We're gonna test it out. Okay, so we're in my vehicle right now, ready to test this Anker dual car adapter out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna plug it in here. So as you can see, when you plug the adapter in, the LED lights turn blue to let you know that the battery's on and it's ready to take your charge. Okay, so I have my phone connected to the car adapter. We're starting it at 88%. Let's see how long it takes to get up to 92%.
A few moments later.
Now we're at 92%. So it took less than 3 minutes to go from 88% to 92% on this Anker dual car adapter. And you can use multiple devices on this adapter. Most vehicle chargers, like I mentioned before, don't have that capability. So that does it. So 88% to 92% in less than 3 minutes. Not bad. So like I said, I picked this up on Amazon. Only took a couple of days to get here. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Have yourself a good one.